7 ways to make childbirth easier. Expert-backed strategies to help you prepare for a smoother labor and delivery. Bringing a baby into the world is one of life's most powerful experiences. And while labor is naturally intense and unpredictable, there are meaningful ways to prepare your body and mind for the journey. From staying active during pregnancy to building a trusted support team, small intentional steps can make a big difference when the big day arrives. Key takeaways. Preparation for a smoother labor begins during pregnancy with gentle exercise and balanced nutrition. Choosing the right healthcare provider and support team creates a sense of safety and calm. Early labor is a time to rest, hydrate, and conserve energy. In active labor, relaxation techniques, movement, and pain management strategies can help you stay confident and focused. Preparation makes a difference. When Molly Ercole became pregnant, she knew she wanted consistency in her care. I didn't want to meet a different doctor at every appointment, says Ercole, a nonprofit communications manager in Pennsylvania. I chose a practice with 2 women physicians, built relationships with both, and felt comfortable knowing either could deliver my baby. Despite careful planning, Ercole developed gestational thrombocytopenia, a condition that lowers platelet levels and can increase bleeding risks. At 39 weeks, her OB presented 2 options: return home and wait to see if treatment improved her platelets, or induce labor immediately. Induction would mean she couldn't receive an epidural, and a C-section would require general anesthesia. She chose to stay. My OB told me she would stay with me throughout the entire process, Ercole says. She kept her word and was there until my daughter was born. Clear communication, thoughtful choices, and steady support transformed what could have been a traumatic birth into a positive experience. Unfortunately, not every woman feels this level of empowerment. A September 2025 Harris poll revealed that more than half of women surveyed said they would make different decisions about their first birth if they could do it again. Nearly 60% said better education, advocacy, or additional support would have improved their experience. The encouraging news? There are steps you can take to feel more prepared and confident. Labor is intense and unpredictable, but you are not powerless, says Jen Hamilton, a labor and delivery nurse in North Carolina. Understanding your options and knowing what makes you feel supported helps you approach birth grounded instead of overwhelmed. Here are 7 ways to prepare for a smoother labor and delivery. 1. Stay active during pregnancy. An easier birth begins long before contractions start. Movement during pregnancy strengthens muscles, improves flexibility, and boosts endurance. Preparing your body for labor means supporting it in doing what it was designed to do, says Jessica Bramley, president of the American College of Nurse Midwives. Regular exercise helps with blood flow and may encourage optimal baby positioning, making contractions more effective once labor begins. Beneficial activities include walking, swimming, prenatal yoga or Pilates, modified strength training. Movement also plays a key role during labor. Walking or changing positions frequently can help the baby rotate into a favorable position and reduce discomfort. Upright positions that use gravity can be especially helpful, such as standing, swaying, kneeling, lunging, squatting. If resting is necessary, side-lying or hands and knees positions, or using a birth or peanut ball, can relieve back pressure and keep the pelvis open. 2. Nourish your body well. What you eat during pregnancy supports both your stamina and your baby's development. A balanced diet built around whole foods strengthens endurance and promotes healthy growth, Bromley says. Focus on lean proteins for blood production and tissue repair, colorful fruits and vegetables for essential vitamins and minerals, whole grains for fiber and digestive support, healthy fats, including omega-3s for muscle tone and hormone balance, plenty of fluids to prevent dehydration and painful contractions. Rather than eating for two, aim for consistent, balanced meals that stabilize blood sugar. During early labor, choose light, easy-to-digest foods like yogurt, soup, toast with nut butter, or fruit. In active labor, small sips of water or electrolyte drinks and simple snacks like applesauce or popsicles can help maintain energy. 3. Learn about the birth process. Education builds confidence. Childbirth classes that focus on breathing, movement, and relaxation techniques can help you understand how your body works during labor. You leave knowing how to work with your body, your baby, and your care team, Bromley says. Helpful topics include pelvic floor strengthening and relaxation, breathing exercises, perineal massage, labor positions that open the pelvis. When selecting a hospital or birthing center, consider the classes and educational resources available to you. 4. Build a trusted support team. Feeling safe and supported can directly influence how labor unfolds. When you feel secure, your body releases oxytocin and endorphins, hormones that help labor progress effectively, Bromley explains. Your support team may include OBGYN or midwife, a provider who understands your values and preferences. Certified nurse midwife, offers individualized relationship-based care. Doula, provides continuous emotional and physical support. Partner or chosen support person, offers encouragement and advocacy. The right team can create a calm, responsive birth environment. 5. Create and stay flexible. With a birth plan. A birth plan outlines your preferences for labor, delivery, and postpartum care. It communicates your wishes clearly to your care team. But flexibility is essential. The misconception is that sticking rigidly to every detail guarantees a positive birth, Hamilton says. Birth is unpredictable. Giving yourself grace to adjust based on new information protects your experience. Knowing how you prefer to receive information, who you want present, and what environment feels calming can matter more than following a strict script. 6. Rest and relax in early labor. Early labor is often mild and can last for hours. Think of it as a warm-up phase, Bromley says. If contractions are spaced apart, stay home and conserve energy. Alternate gentle activity with rest. Take short walks. Soak in a warm bath. Nap, if possible. Staying calm is critical. Fear and tension can raise adrenaline, which may slow labor. Relaxation techniques such as rhythmic breathing, massage, hydrotherapy, aromatherapy, or calming music can help you remain centered. 7. Choose the right pain management tools for you. Pain relief is a personal choice. The goal isn't to eliminate pain entirely, Bromley says. It's to find tools that help you cope and stay engaged. Options include non-medical methods, movement, breathing techniques, massage, and water therapy. Nitrous oxide, self-administered through a mask to reduce pain while maintaining mobility. IV opioids, medications such as fentanyl or morphine can ease pain but may cause drowsiness and must be carefully timed. Epidural, provides significant lower body numbness, allowing rest but limiting movement. Each option has benefits and trade-offs. Discuss preferences with your provider in advance so you can make informed decisions. The bottom line: childbirth challenges both body and mind, but preparation, education, and a supportive care team can help you approach labor with confidence. Coping well in labor isn't just about managing pain, Bramley says. It's about staying calm, connected, and confident in your ability to bring your baby into the world.